Hi, everyone, and welcome to Brain-Based EQ for Kids. I'm Dr. Shah, and I'm the founder of Social Edge. We offer live, interactive EQ classes for kids ages 7 to 11, and we teach kids about their minds and their bodies and how they're connected. First, students learn to notice when they're experiencing fight or flight, and we teach them how to label their amygdala hijacks. And they learn to understand what the difference is between a real threat that's happening to them versus a perceived threat. And so we do this by having them actually reflect back and to think back to when they were in an amygdala hijack last. And with that example, we create a comic strip, and that really helps them think through what type of hijack that was. Then they learn 3 secret strategies to regulate those amygdala hijacks, and they train their prefrontal cortex to step in before a hijack can occur. Our classes are filled with hands-on activities like making calming slime, creating positive affirmation balloons, and making personalized vision boards that they can keep in their rooms to look at and to motivate themselves. We also do experiments like our popular anger volcano experiment that's a lot of fun for kids. And we create our own EQ tools like our mind jars. And we create these cool-off spaces in our rooms or within our homes. And we create routines that work for us when we need to calm down. Last but not least, we also play lots of games like Heads Up or our Amygdala Hijack card game or Social Edge Taboo, because we want to empower kids to develop lifelong EQ tools that will help them lead a happy, healthy, and meaningful life. After our EQ classes, students learn to identify a range of emotions. They learn to create concrete mindfulness-based strategies for how to regulate those emotions, and they're more self-motivated to grow and develop themselves in creative ways. Students learn the importance of a growth mindset, and they learn that it's important to get out of your comfort zone. And most importantly, with our lessons, parents have told us that they have quality, meaningful relationships with family and friends. And we also offer our EQ book club so that kids can continue to reinforce, they can practice, and develop their EQ skills. Through our EQ book club, students get a chance to take on different perspectives and to develop empathy. They learn to discuss hypothetical situations that may come up in their lives. And the research does show that it's important to discuss how kids would handle difficult or challenging situations before they occur. We keep class sizes small so that we can provide quality instruction to your kids. We use a lot of discussion and we use a lot of open-ended questions to really get your children to critically think about what we're teaching. And so we really look forward to seeing your kids in our class. I encourage you to visit mysocialedge.com today, and I look forward to seeing your kids very soon.